Ma'am. Good
Hello.
morning.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm awesome, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also pretty well. After see you, I also feeling good. How is going on your day
I
so
was,
far?
as usual, ma'am. I was watching English videos and I was waiting for you. When you texted me at that time, I was busy in my household chores,
Okay, no problem.
and I ran on terrace. When you were calling me, I was searching my headphones.
Okay, now are you comfortable? Take
Yeah.
take some rest then. I will call you after 2 minutes.
No, no, it's okay, ma'am.
Feel comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start then. Okay, tell me your short introduction.
I'm Pinky and I'm from Punjab. And if if you talk about my studies, then I have done my master's in Hindi literature. And
Okay.
nowadays I'm learning English, and I'm very passionate about it. And if you talk about my hobbies, then my hobbies are writing, sketching, painting, singing, and learning, and eating.
Wow.
Eating. I'm foodie. I'm
Oh
very
my God.
foodie.
But you're not looking like this. I
Yes.
think you are doing. Hmm.
I really like to do workout as well. I'm
Okay,
beautician.
that's it.
Uh, Part time I'm working as a beautician, so I really like to look be perfect. So that's
Okay,
why. But
that's
right now
great.
I'm gaining weight. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's great. Good to know about you. You are doing lots of things. Okay, how long have you been? Are you learning this language?
Um, it's been 4 months, you can say. I have started my journey 2 years ago, but I was not consistent with this language. And I want to know about you, ma'am. I have seen your videos, but I forgot
Okay,
about
sure.
you. Hansi.
No, no, no. I'm going to introduce myself. Thank you for asking. First of all, my name is Susmita Kausik. As you know, I'm UP currently. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm also doing master degree in education subject. I'm a mother of one person. Now I'm totally homemaker. Apart from about my hobby, I like to play badminton, cooking, reading books, this kind of things I like to do. That's all about me.
Okay, okay, ma'am. And you're the second person whom I'm talking right now. Before you, I had conversation with the Manju ma'am. That time I was feeling very nervous, and I have done a lot of mistakes while talking to her. So I didn't speak well. But now, I, mm, I'm here so that I build my confidence. So, I'm
Regularly
little
with
bit sorry,
Mhm.
ma'am.
You should speak regularly with different people for build your confidence. Do you
Yes,
do?
ma'am.
Do you
Yes,
speak
ma'am.
with people?
Yeah, no, ma'am. I didn't get chance. You're the second one whom I'm talking right now.
Okay, okay.
Like, yeah, I have mailed a lot of people, but some of them they are busy, and some of them they ask me about my YouTube channel. So maybe I have to make it.
Sure. You will get partner to conversation every day if you make then it will be
Yeah.
better for you to learning this language. Okay, what you do
Yes,
nowadays?
ma'am.
How you enhancing your language because you speak well, do
Uh,
not pull agitation. What you do?
Ma'am, first time. When I was talking with ma'am, that time I thought, okay, why I'm looking here and there, where I'm not facing her. Like only
Okay.
that day, I thought, okay, I have to focus that person whom I'm talking right now. From now on. So I'm doing the same. I have good control on my brain, I guess. So
Yes,
you were
good. I
asked,
think it's most
yeah.
important. Hmm.
Yeah, you were asking about me, like what I'm doing nowadays to improve my English. Nowadays, I'm not bookworm type of person, but nowadays I'm reading novels,
Okay,
storybooks, yeah, stories, and I really like it. And I
yes.
have read 3 books till now in 2 months. Not properly 2 months, you can say. Uh, 1.5 months. I have completed 3 books. And
Okay, that's
apart from that, yeah, ma'am. Apart from that, I am watching different contents in English, and sometimes I'm doing speaking practice as well. You tell me,
it's
ma'am, where were you? Like you were, yeah, you seemed like very busy person. You replied me very late.
okay. When I saw your message, then I immediately reply you. I rarely check my mail because I'm not habitual to check mails. No, that's the reason.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
tell me another thing then. Which topic do you like to discuss?
anything, ma'am. You can choose. I will join you. You tell me how many members do you have in your family and how old is your kid?
Okay. Here in UP, we are three members in my family, me, my husband, my baby, and I. We are living as a nuclear family, and my baby is 3 years old. He recently started to go to his
Okay,
school. Yes.
okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Tell me about your career journey. You are learning beautician, I guess, or parlor. Beautician.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's a good thing. Nowadays, it's very trending. How long have you been? Are you learning this way, beautician?
When, ma'am, when I was 18 years old.
When you was 18 years, you
18
are
years
18.
old. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
okay. How can I know about how long it's been?
Let it be. It's long time. I can like I'm working not regularly, ma'am, and I'm working as a part time.
Okay, you are working or learning?
Not learning, ma'am.
You are
I'm
working.
working.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. That's great.
I have
Okay,
I have learned when I was 18 years old.
okay, okay. I was asking you how long have you been are learning? I was thinking you are learning now.
No, no, I'm not learning, ma'am.
Okay, that means you are
Yes.
professional beautician.
Mm,
Do you have any
yes.
do you have any on shop or parlor?
No, ma'am. No. Like I don't prefer to do work on parlor because I have some rest issues. So I can't sit much time or I can't stand much time. So that's
Okay,
why I really actually I love my work, so I really like to do part time. Yeah.
part time. You wanna go others' house and make them beauty or what?
Yeah.
What which?
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
ma'am. Like sometime I do occasionally and marriage occasion and Karwa Chauth occasion and I'm mehndi artist too. So I'm working a lot
okay.
these
That's great.
days.
That's great. Okay, you make up to bridal also?
Yes,
Bride.
ma'am.
Okay, that's great then. Why are you learning this language? Because you already choose a different way. There is need to speak English.
No, ma'am. Like no one can speak good English like surrounding my area. Like, but I am very passionate about it. Like people think like someone is very intelligent if someone speak English, someone speaks English. So yeah, I want to be intelligent.
Okay, that's great.
I
Yeah, nowadays it's a little necessary to speak this language. People think like this, you are well educated if you speak English then. Okay.
but in my case, ma'am, it, but in my case, I love learning. So 2 years ago, I thought, okay, I was not at in English, so let's improve my English. So I
Okay.
started my journey like 2 years ago, but that time I didn't get right way how to start, where to start. Like I am facing a lot, and then I have been consistent with this language for 4 months from
For
December. Since December, yes.
okay, how much you got improvement after learning this language?
A lot, ma'am. You can say, I could speak. I could speak 4 lines before.
Okay. Okay, then
Yeah,
now you are happy? Are you feeling happy nowadays? Because your English is
yeah.
good?
I'm feeling happy because I'm getting results and I'm doing hard work. I'm spending my hours on this language, so I am happy. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
without speaking with someone, you speak this way, this level, that is good thing. And if you speak with someone the regular basis, then you will get more result, more
Yes, ma'am.
benefit. You should open your channel for get people to conversation daily basis.
Yes, ma'am. Whenever I feel nervous or panic, I laugh a lot. So when I had first session, that time I'm laughing and I couldn't control myself. But I'm not feeling right now nervous and panic. I'm normal.
Oh, no need to be nervous. I'm just like you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Great. Are you
So
living
tell
in
me
a
about you,
rural
ma'am.
or urban area?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
living are you living in rural area or urban area?
How can I say, ma'am? It's not a rural and it's not urban. I'm in
Okay.
middle. You can
Okay.
say
Okay.
my maternal home is in urban area, rural, shahar. I'm confused.
Urban. Urban.
Urban shahar? Okay, yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Tell me about how many do you have siblings?
I have two younger sisters, ma'am.
Younger sisters or brothers?
No, I don't have.
Okay. You are three.
Yes.
They are studying or they are married?
They are married.
Both are.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's great. Okay. Do you have kids?
Not yet, ma'am.
Okay. You are focusing on your career. Are you focusing
It's not
on
like that, ma'am.
career?
Yeah, you can say. Or
Okay. Okay. That's great. Okay. What you do in whole day in your leisure time? What you do? What you prefer to do?
I'm kind of busy. Like whenever I feel okay, I do painting, then I do painting. Like nowadays, my first priority is English. I have a big family. There are 12 people in my
Okay.
family. So I am quite busy person, but nowadays I spare time for my English. So you
Yes.
can say
Yes.
busy. I am busy person nowadays.
I can
Yes.
understand. If you have 12 member in your family, then I can understand. Are you alone, daughter-in-law, or do you have any sister?
Yes. Yes, I am alone.
Alone. Okay. Okay, that's you have lots of responsibility.
Yes, ma'am. You tell me, how many siblings do you have?
I have, we are including me, we are three. I'm an elder one, my younger brother, and a younger sister. They are studying nowadays.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So do you teach to your kid?
Yes. He is so young. He is just 3 years old. I teach
Yes,
him.
ma'am.
And you can see also in my videos, he also there. He also makes videos, short videos. He very passionate to make video. Mama, I want to make video.
Okay, okay,
Yes. Okay.
okay. Actually, I'm very talkative person, but right now I don't know how to like ask questions.
Okay, no problem. Are you in the roof or room?
Sorry, ma'am.
Are you on the roof or in the room?
Yeah, ma'am. I am on my on terrace
On terrace. Yeah, it's looking.
for this station, ma'am. Like I have noise, like noisy background. On ground floor, so that's
Oh,
why I came on roof for this session. So you can see, so that you can see me clearly, and we we don't be uh, how can I say, we would not be disturbed
yes.
with
No one can
noise.
disturb you while speaking here. Okay, okay, that's great.
Yes.
Okay. How is the weather
Tell me,
there?
like it's sunny, very sunny.
Yes, it's hot day, it's summertime, it's start. Okay, what did you say? Where are you from? I forgot.
I just want to know about your hobbies, how you spend your whole day.
As you know, I'm a mother of one person and a housewife also. So after household chores, I try to spend my whole day to learning this language.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. What did you say? Where are you from?
I forgot, ma'am.
Where are you from?
You are asking to me?
Yes, yes. I'm asking you where
Punjab.
are you from?
Punjab. Punjab.
Punjab. Okay. Yeah, I think this is very hot nowadays in Punjab.
Mm,
Hello?
like not much, ma'am. They're like quite normal as compared to June. Like nowadays, sometime it's cloudy and sometime it's sunny. So it is, you can say,
Oh,
moderate weather nowadays. Yes.
yeah. Comfortable.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. On time. I have schedule for like for for these things. Yeah.
Okay. Strict
At
person.
yeah.
Okay, that's great. Okay. Are you Pinky? Am I right?
And yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Pinky. Nice to talk with you. We will meet again. Okay.
Okay, definitely, ma'am. Like I want to say something. You have
Okay.
very nice, cute smile.
Thank you.
It
Thank
was
you so
lovely talking to you.
Same
Thank you,
here.
ma'am.
You are
You
cute.
have choose me for this conversation.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. It's my pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Nice to talk to you. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, ma'am.
Bye.